Hello guys, welcome over there. So today we're going to play Shell English. So anyways guys, if I wanna say over this also make sure to like and subscribe. So what's that playtime? We're going to play playtime. We're going to play. Okay. So anyways, what's the music? I think I'm going to dance guys. I think I'm going to go this way. I think I wanted to dance guys. Okay, so I don't know. Why do I keep lagging? Oh wait, that beat. That's you. Oh wait, is that floating head? What's that, guys? Okay. I got. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Why do I keep lagging? Guys, why do I keep lagging? What's that? It's like going to get popular, guys. Oh my god. Why do I keep lagging? I think the music's cool. Bruh. What's that? Bruh, why is it lagging? Can I go to the room one? What is the music? Oh, the music! Interact. Wait, how can I interact, guys? Okay. I think this is the cool music, guys. No, I don't want. Because it will make me... It will make me copyright, guys. It will make me copyright, guys. Okay. We're going to reviewing the... Sort of floating headers. Not a team. What's that? I think this is the cool music. I need to go to the thing, or the music, I think. Hello? Oh. I turn it. Stop. Turn off. Turn off. Turn off. Wait, what's that? What's wrong with her? And what's wrong? She's a beautiful girl. Oh, why do I keep lagging? Okay. What's wrong? What's wrong with her? Yes. Monkey. Kiss. 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 Hello, I am the daddy. I will. Look. Okay. What's wrong? There's so many girl head. Oh, okay. I think this mistake. Oh, it's here. What's wrong? What happened? Ano yan? Oh, okay, no, kaya kiss niya. What are you dancing? Look. Ano yun? Ano yun? What's that? Ah, go, ito. Ito, ano? Tuntong. Okay. I think this is the chicken. The chicken! I think this is chicken! Heck? Ito yung spirit! Why do I keep lagging? Bruh. Are you kidding me? Bruh. Bruh, I can't, Ano ito? Why? Akan.